Coming in at number 5, we have the AST&T Heat Press Machine 12 inches by 10 inches Portable Easy Heat Press. This is the budget option on our list, priced at just $78.99, making it a great choice for beginners or hobbyists who don't need all the bells and whistles of more expensive models. Its compact design and lightweight build make it highly portable, weighing only 8.6 pounds, despite its smaller size. The 12 by 10 inch heating plate is sufficient for most basic projects like t-shirts, canvas bags, and hats. In terms of design and build quality, the AST&T Heat Press features a durable stainless steel and alloy steel construction, along with anti-overheating technology for added safety. The machine heats up quickly and evenly, and the pressure-regulating springs ensure consistent results. It also includes a safety base to prevent accidental burns and comes packaged with a user manual, a canvas bag, and even some starter vinyl sheets, which is a nice touch for newcomers. While it's affordable and easy to use, the AST&T Heat Press does have limitations. It lacks advanced features like digital controls or adjustable pressure settings seen in other models. It's best suited for light-duty, non-commercial use. If you're looking for an entry-level machine to explore heat transfer projects, this is a great value buy. However, professionals or those planning to work on larger, more complex designs might find it limiting. At number 4, we have the VEVOR 8-in-1 Heat Press Machine. Priced at $189.99, this versatile machine is ideal for users looking to experiment with a variety of projects. Its standout feature is its 8-in-1 capability, allowing you to customize t-shirts, mugs, hats, plates, and more. With a 15 by 15 inch heat platen coated in Teflon, it provides ample space for larger designs while ensuring a non-stick surface. The build quality is impressive, featuring silicone and a sturdy swing-away design. The 360-degree swing-away arm is particularly useful, allowing you to move the heating element to the side for safer operation and better pressure distribution. The dual-tube heating technology ensures even heat distribution, minimizing temperature differences across the plate for consistent results. The machine also includes a digital display controller, making it easy to set precise temperature and time settings. While its versatility is a major plus, the VEVOR heat press can feel a bit bulky and may take up more space compared to other models. The user interface is simple, but might require a bit of a learning curve for beginners. It's perfect for intermediate users who want more flexibility in their heat press projects. But if you're short on space or need a machine for quick, repetitive tasks, this might not be the best option. Taking the third spot on our list is the Fancierstudio Digital Heat Press. Priced at $174.99, this machine offers a great combination of affordability and functionality for small business owners and hobbyists alike. With a 15 by 15-inch clamshell-style heat platen, it's designed for t-shirt printing, but can also be used for mouse pads and bags. The machine comes equipped with electronic time and heat controls, allowing for precision and ease of use. The build quality is solid, featuring a steel frame and aluminum heat platen. The silicone pad is lightly glued down, making it easy to replace if needed. The adjustable pressure setting is a standout feature, letting you customize your press based on the material you're working with. The machine heats up quickly and evenly, reaching temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. On the downside, the clamshell design might not be the safest option for beginners, as it requires caution to avoid burns when opening and closing. Additionally, while it's reliable for basic projects, it lacks the advanced automation features of higher-end models. This machine is ideal for users who need dependable performance at a reasonable price without too many extra features. In second place, we have the HTVRONT Auto Heat Press Machine, priced at $236. This machine is packed with features designed to make heat pressing easier and more efficient. The standout feature is its auto-release functionality. After loading your project and pressing the R button, the machine automatically adjusts to your material's thickness, presses down, and releases when the timer runs out. This hands-free operation ensures consistent results and reduces the risk of burned designs. The build quality is top-notch, combining vinyl with a sleek white design. The 15 by 15-inch platen heats up fast and evenly, thanks to dual-tube heating technology, making it perfect for professional quality transfers. The machine also features multiple modes: fast modes, custom modes, and auto mode to accommodate various project needs. Safety features include an auto-off function and a drawer slide design to keep your hands away from the hot plate. While it's highly versatile and user-friendly, the HTVRONT Auto Heat Press Machine is slightly heavier, weighing over 40 pounds, which might be a consideration for users with limited workspace. It's ideal for crafters looking to scale up their production and achieve professional-grade results without the hassle of manual adjustments. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1, we have the HTVRONT Auto Heat Press 2. Priced at $349.99, this premium heat press is designed for serious crafters and professionals who demand the best in performance and versatility. The machine introduces adjustable pressure customization, allowing users to fine-tune pressure up to 170 pounds for varied projects. It also features an increased heating height, accommodating items up to 1.77 inches thick, which is perfect for hoodies and other bulky items. The build quality is exceptional, using aluminum and alloy steel for durability. The 15 by 15-inch heat platen heats up quickly and evenly, ensuring consistent results every time. The machine's automatic pressing feature lets you set the parameters, press the R button, and let it do the rest, freeing up your hands for multitasking. Additional features include an angle-adjustable screen, auto-off functionality, and a compact design that ensures it doesn't take up unnecessary space. While it's the most expensive option on our list, its advanced features justify the price for professionals or users with high production needs. This machine is perfect for anyone looking to create flawless designs across a variety of materials, including apparel, mugs, and plates. If you're ready to invest in a top-tier heat press machine, the HTVRONT Auto Heat Press 2 is the way to go. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.